She just asked Grammarly to help her write a summary of her doc, and she's shortening it. Beautifully done.
And she sounds like herself, calm, convincing, and also like you'd trust her to look after your cat.
100%, Bill.
Oh no, flag on the play. I see messages coming her way.
And it's the CEO, Bill. Can Adams handle the pressure?
Is she? Yeah, she is! She's using Grammarly to stay on the ball, and she's sounding even more confident, Jill.
I mean, she's an MVP, Bill. What a play. I've never seen Monday morning quarterbacking look this good.
Take a look at this, Jill. She's going for clarity, and whoa-wee! She just shortened that by half. Can we get a replay?
Short and sweet, Bill. Like my roller derby career. Wait, look at that. She's done. She's hitting send. And it's in. And it's in.
It's in.
It's a touchdown.
It's a touchdown.
It's all over.
What a game. She's an MVP who's gonna make VP.
Download Grammarly for free.